Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If lines AC and BD intersects at point O such that the ratio AOB and BOC is equal to 2 by 3 and we have to find angle COD. This angle we have to find out. So it is given that angle AOB by angle BOC is equal to 2 by 3. Let's say this is our first equation. And also we know that angle COD will be equal to angle AOB. Similarly, angle BOC will be equal to angle DOA because these are the vertical opposite angles and vertical opposite angles are equal. So these angles are equal. Now we also know that sum of all angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. So here if we can see, this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be equal to 360 degree, and since we know that vertical opposite angles are equal, so we can write twice of angle AOB plus twice angle BOC, which is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because we know that sum of all angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. So these are the sum of all angles around a point. So from here we obtained angle AOB plus angle BOC as half of 360 degree, that is 180 degree. So angle BOC can be written as 3 by 2 times of angle AOB with the help of this first equation. So we can write this with the help of first equation, and if we simplify we can get the value of angle AOB, which will be equal to 72 degree. So now we know that angle AOB is equal to angle COD because these are the vertical opposite angle, and this is what we have to find out. So from here we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle COD is equal to 72 degree because these are the vertical angles. So we have obtained angle COD is as 72 degree. So this is our answer.